Discrete mappers can be used to map discrete values, like categories, or types to style properties of the graph elements, like icons, colors, or dimensions. For instance, to map different icons to different values of the profile property, simply open the background image settings, choose the profile property and select icons for different values. You can save the mapping for later use using the Save As feature. Now every time you want to use your saved icon mapping, just select the saved mapper from the drop-down menu. The linear or gradient mapping can be used to map numerical values, like the number of incidents of an IT network component or transaction values in anti-fraud use cases, to style properties like colors or dimensions. Simply select a numerical property and choose colors for the minimal and maximal values of the property. If you want the mapping to ignore values below or over some threshold, then set the minimal or maximal thresholds of the mapper. The same rules can be applied in the size mapping. Now we can play with the combination of the mappers to see which pattern is best in our case.